Elite Supported Employment is part of 4 social enterprises. We're a charity that operates through the model of supported employment, and basically what that means is that we engage with disabled and disadvantaged people who are furthest from the employment market. We support them on that one-to-one basis to show them what they can do.
We develop their job skills and confidence, and then we put them through a range of qualifications, all designed to enhance that person's abilities. I think it's really important what we've done because we are kind of a stepping stone for people for employment.
In the past 31 years, we've seen tremendous growth in our organisation, creating opportunities for disabled and disadvantaged people. And we had to create those opportunities by working with employers, but also by creating our own social enterprises. That was essential because there were very few opportunities in our communities that did not stigmatise against disabled people or those experiencing disadvantage. To be nominated for the business section of the St David's Award is really prestigious for us, and I think it's testimony to the commitment and ability of the team that we have at Elite.